Hey, what's up everyone? So right now it is, I'm pretty sure it's more than 35 degrees Celsius. It's flipping hot. My brother is at the beach and he gave us a call to say that he's catching fish and he's fishing a competition. So we going to leave home now, taking him bait. I'm gonna meet him at the beach, so stay tuned. Tell me when to go, Dad.
Go.
I would have died. Let's just get for the biscuit. So the nice thing about fishing near the farm is, check it out, Beyond's friends are here. Like right next to us. Bunch of cows. Oh, this guy here. Look at his bum. Let's zoom in for you guys. Munjan.
Yeah.
Hello.
Johnny.
What is up everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today it's a different change up. It's my brother. So he fishes.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
He's a fisherman for KZN and today he's fishing a competition. I was dragged in this heat with my dad and my cousin Vian. Yeah, we got dragged in this heat because he's fishing a competition and apparently he caught fish. So let's see if we can make a vlog out of this. Vian, do you think Irene caught any fish today?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
And do you think we're gonna be able to get anything on camera?
Yeah, sure.
Let's check it out. Let's go.
Hopefully.
So Arjun, just a quick one. What fish was that and what was the size?
That was a diamond skate, 155 centimeters.
Yeah. And how long did it take?
Lloyd landed it in 10 minutes. It was a baby. Okay guys, fishing competition, yeah. So rushing. I think we got last 3 hours left. Gonna quickly swim this bank, throw a big bait over, throw a shad head, throw a shad head, throw a shad head.
What is shad?
And hopefully we get a diamond ray. I landed 3 already. Try to get my 4th one now.
So we walked all the way there. Unfortunately, Calvin lost his fish. But Aryan's on at the moment. I'm gonna run all the f***ing way that way to try and catch him. He's on over there. Give us the lowdown.
What's up, guys? I had the rod in the rod stand, helping my mate land his fish about 800 meters down the beach. And my rod goes in the rod stand. Had a nice sprint back. Fish seems to be playing the game.
What tackle are you using?
Using my trusty Assassin Evo Zero Heavy. Saragossa 10,000.
Yeah.
And 50-pound grinder braid.
Bait?
Secret. My fish is about 20 meters out. Got maximum pressure on it. Probably a butterfly ray. So it's important when these fish are in the front. Lots of anglers are impatient and actually busted in the front, trying to force the fish. So you just bring it with the wave gradually, and it eventually will come. You can see my leader now. Fish is just sitting in the current up and down. Hopefully Chanel comes now.
Talk us through it before this battery dies.
Beautiful diamond ray, yeah? Got a diamond shower. Messed with sand. Gonna quickly measure it, take some quick pics, get it back. Nice healthy big one.
Go for it.
Okay guys, remove the hook, it's simple. Pick the fish up, 2 hands in his mouth. It has no teeth, they can't bite you.
But it can only swing.
In the back on the tail.
Is that where you got stung?
Yeah.
How you got stung?
Trying to grab it. Yeah. Hooks out. Come here. There you go. Come here. What's up? Come here. Oh God. What's up? Pour down. That's not. Oh God. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that things. I'm too tired now.
So, do you think that was a successful vlog?
Yes.
So we finally managed to get one on camera. Anyway, like he said, I hope you really enjoyed the vlog. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this. It's gonna take me a while to edit, so please thumbs up the video, share, subscribe, comment. And what do you normally say? Hit the what icon?
Hit the like button and subscribe.
No, but is there a bell icon?
Yeah.
What does that do?
Makes you get notified.
So yeah, click the bell icon for notifications. Sweet.